Good morning, everybody. Today, let us start a new lesson, My Mother. It is a poem written by APJ Abdul Kalam, who was the President of India. Now, in this poem, it is reflected about the mother, her love and care for the child. Now, as you all know, that APJ Kalam was the President of India and he was popularly known as Missile Man of India. He was also known for his dedication to science, and you all know that he was a scientist and also a humanist. Even he was an excellent writer, and Wings of Fire and Ignited Mind are the two popular books he has written. Now, this poem has been taken from The Wings of Fire. Now, since God could not be everywhere, so He made Mother. That means that God could not come to care to each and everyone, so He made Mother so that she will be with the child for each and every time, and she will give her love and blessing to a child. Now, let's begin with the poem. Sea waves, golden sand, pilgrim faith, Rameshwaram Mosque Street, all merge into one. My mother. Now here the poet wants to say that each and everything, like sea waves, the sand, all the pilgrim faith, means all the places, holy places of Rameshwaram Mosque Street, all these places are merged into one figure, and that is Mother. Now, Rameshwaram Mosque Street is the place where the poet lived. Okay. So he is saying that each and everything, all the holy places, whatever is there on the earth is equivalent to a mother. You come to me like heaven's caring arm. Means you are like a heaven, means where the God stays. You are like heaven with your loving hands, with your caring arms. And he says that I remember the war days when the life was challenge and toil. He is now remembering about the war, that is the World War II. He is remembering about the World War II, which was there in 1939. The war was there on 1939. Okay. And he remembers those war days when his life was very challenged and full of problems. Miles to walk hour before sunrise, means he has to walk a long distance before sunrise, means before morning, before the sun break. walking to take lessons from the saintly teacher near the temple. He used to go to a teacher near the temple. Again, miles to the Arab teaching school, means he used to go to the saintly teachers near the temple, and then again he used to go miles to get the Arab teaching in the school. So he has to walk long and long, taking so pain. He has to gather the teachings. Climb sandy hills to railway station road, collect, distribute newspaper to temple city citizens. Now after that, after getting the education, he used to go to the railway station road, and what he used to do, he used to collect and distribute newspaper to the temple city citizen, to the people. Okay. Few hours after sunrise, going to school, means these all things he used to do before getting up. Before the sun used to rise, he used to go to school, get the education, and after the sunrise, before going to the school, he used to distribute the newspaper. Now, and what was his evening time? Evening business times before study at night, and in evening he used to do again some business, means some work, before going to bed at night. He used to study under the lamppost in the street light at the night. Such life was. All this pain of a young boy, my mother, you transformed into pious strength. Means whatever pain he was having, his pain was transferred into a strength, into a pure strength. And who used to transfer? Mother used to transfer. His all pains were taken up by the mother, and it gave him strength to fight for all the miseries and worries. And how the mother's strength used to come up? With kneeling and bowing 5 times. Means mother used to pray to God by kneeling and bowing. This is a custom in the Muslim community, to bow and kneel and bow 5 times a day to pray the God. So she used to bow before God. She used to do the prayer to the Almighty for the strength that would be given to the child. You always shared your best with whoever needed the most. Now he says that my mother used to always share whatever the best was there with whoever needed the most. Means whoever wanted her most, she used to share her love and care with all of them. You always gave, and gave with faith in him. Means everything, whatever you used to give with a faith, with a trust to him, means to the poet. I still remember the day when I was 10. He says that he still remember the day when he was 10 years old. What he used to do? Sleeping on your lap, to the envy of my elder brothers and sisters. Means he used to sleep on the mother's lap, and all the elder brother and sister used to feel jealous. Envy means jealous of the poet, because he used to sleep in mother's lap. It was full moon night. My world only you knew. It was a full moon night, and he says that you, my mother, you only knew my world. No one knew. Only one person knew, and that was my mother. When at midnight I woke with tears falling on my knee. Means you knew all my pain when he used to woke up in the midnight crying on the knees, and you used to get up and gather me with your strength. You knew the pain of your child. Means you knew what pain I was having. Whatever the pain I was having, my mother used to know. When at midnight I woke with tears falling on my knee, you knew the pain of your child, my mother. Means he wants to say that whenever he used to woke up in the middle of the night, tears falling on his knee, his pain was known by the mother. She knew what the pain my child is having. Your caring hands tenderly removing the pain. And when you used to just put your hands on the head, all the pains were removed, all the worries were removed. Your love, your care, your faith give me strength. Means your love, your care, whatever you love me, and your faith, means you trusted me, used to give me strength to fight the world, to face the world without fear and with his strength. Her love, her care, her faith used to give the poet a strength, a fearless strength to fight the world which is there, to fight against all odds in the life. It was the mother's love which made him, or which gave him strength to fight all the odds. We will meet again on the great judgment day, my mother. Now he says that we will again meet when there will be a judgment day. Means when we will go up again, we will meet once again over there. So fearlessly he wanted to fight all the odds in the life, and the one and the only strength which he felt was the mother's strength, her pious strength, which gave him all power to fight the odds of the life, to fight the worries of the life. So he felt that mother is the one and the only, you can say, a pilgrim for him. He used to feel that she is the only one who is merged in all. Means each and everything, whatever is there on the earth, is merged into one and the only, that is the mother. He feels that whatever pain he did, but when he used to sleep on the mother's lap, each and every pain used to diminish, used to erase off by her tender care and love, by her tender hands. All the pains were removed, and her love gave him strength to fight the, you can say, all the odds in the life. which he used to bear. So the poem ends over here. Now, if you are having any meaning which you are unable to understand, you can WhatsApp me any of the line you haven't understood. You can ask me over there, and for your homework, you are supposed to write the meaning of the hard words from the poem, and you have to make sentences from any of the 5 words in your copy. Next, I will be discussing the question answers. So, you all should be prepared with the question answers with your copy and pen in the next class. Meanwhile, now, if you are having any doubt regarding any of the line or any of the word, you can ask me or WhatsApp me in your group. Now, before ending, I once again appeal to you to write the questions answer in your English copy, so that it will be easy for you to go through all the chapters. Now the poem ends. The poem written by APJ Abdul Kalam, a famous scientist. No. Till then, I hope you all will prepare. Next class, I will be giving you question answers.